Well, let's get 2 hands. 1 hand. You want to get some change?
No, I'm good.
Big handful, big handful.
Yeah. Good boy. Okay.
You're doing good.
There'll be more the next time you come.
There you go, buddy.
Maybe you ought to get some for his little brother.
Hey, you could, you know that? Better get another baggie because his brother's going to get mixed up here.
Well, his little brother's smaller, so we'll just let him
You
have
put that,
one
need to
handful.
get the air out of that, put that in your coat.
Get some more.
What, you getting little handfuls now?
No, he can't get his hand down here.
Oh, okay.
Get a little more. There you go. Man, that one's for your brother.
He probably got $1, $2, $3.
He might. You want to put his baggie in here with your bag so you can
No.
not care? Oh, I meant just like that with it already. Oh, no.
Say thank you.